Welcome back, everybody. All right, so let's take a look at something called an operator here. And you can see that we've already put one in here, and that this a main is double equal to 2. Okay, so if we put in equals and we run it, there we go. It's equal to 1. It doesn't quite work the same way. Now, in a lot of other programming languages, it would stop working, but and depending on the C++ environment, that also wouldn't work. All right, so let's go ahead and let's talk a little bit about what we can do here. You can actually have a greater than. So if a main is greater than 2, it's going to run. All right, and that is exactly the way it works. So a main equals a main plus 1. So we should have it equal to 4. Okay, so that works. So if it's a main is less than 2, okay, doesn't work because that's not true anymore. We can also have greater than or equal to 2. So greater than, equal to 2. Just like that. Run it. There we go. That is true. And we have less than or equal to 2. That's not true. It shouldn't work. Okay. But what happens if we do this less than or equal to 3? Right? It is equal, so it ends up being true. There's another one where you can go and it's not equal to 3. So, right, so let's go ahead. If it's not equal to 2, there we go, 4. So those are some of the things that you can do with an if statement, and you can go ahead and use those if you want. I highly recommend you just take the next 5 minutes and just play around with it a bit. And remember, playing around with the code is actually something that I highly recommend. All right. So those are operators. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.